Hello everyone, so today I am gonna update you about the USCIS in-person suspension. So, United States Citizenship Immigration and Services suspended their in-person services on January 19 and January 20, 2021. So if you have your appointment these days, the mentioned one, then USCIS is gonna send you a notice and also a reschedule of your appointment. So it was suspended to for the safety and the safety of the employee and the individual with appointments these days. But just get in mind that the services online on the USCIS website is still going. You can always visit them online. I'll put the website down below. Thank you so much for watching. This is just an update for you guys information. Thank you for watching. See you next time.